Good Monday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to the Cruise News. Just got a couple of quick cruise news stories for you today, and we're going to start off with Princess Cruise Lines. Now, on two of Princess Cruise Line ships, the Discovery Princess and the Enchanted Princess, they have a specialty dining experience called the 360 dining experience. And this dining experience, well, it's gone through a couple of changes here recently. Now, when it first came out, when it was first introduced, it was complimentary for suite guests and only available to suite guests. Then came a change, and we did a video about when Princess made the change, but they opened it up. Instead of only being available to suite guests, it was going to be made available to everybody on the ship, and it would still be complimentary for suite guests, but $149 for everybody else on the ship. Well, here we go, and Princess has now made another change to it, and they've taken away the complimentary option for suite guests. So yeah, if you book a suite on board the Discovery Princess or the Enchanted Princess, you will no longer get the complimentary 360 dining experience after December the 1st. If you booked a suite prior to December the 1st, you will still get the complimentary invitation. But if you booked your suite after December the 1st, it's no longer going to be an option, and you will now have to pay the $149 per person like everybody else on the ship. So it looks like another sweet perk for Princess going away, and what you used to get is now going to cost you a little bit of money. Next up, we have a Carnival Panorama update. This past Saturday, the Carnival Panorama did arrive in Portland, is in dry dock to begin repairs on her engine. Now, the engine problems on the Panorama has resulted in 6 canceled cruises so far. The next one is scheduled for December the 23rd, and right now, Carnival says that cruise is still going to happen, but it's been a bit of an adventure just getting the Panorama into dry dock. They're along the Columbia River, heading into the dry dock. They have some low bridges, so the funnel and forward antenna mast had to be removed, and they had to do that in Victoria, British Columbia. So over in Victoria, they had the equipment to remove the funnel, but not do the ship repairs. So the funnel was removed. She sailed under the bridges, is now in dry dock. Once she's done in dry dock, then she has to go back to Victoria, have the funnel and forward antenna mast put back on, then sail down to Long Beach. Now, like I said, Carnival still says the December 23rd, the Christmas sailing is scheduled to still happen. So fingers crossed, hopefully nothing goes wrong. The Panorama gets out there on time, gets her whale tail put back on, and people are able to enjoy their Christmas cruise and no more cancellations. And finally, one more Carnival story, because we have a price increase from Carnival Cruise Lines, because starting December the 8th, there's going to be an increase in the price of the Wi-Fi packages. So Carnival said, hey, we have completed upgrading our internet packages. We are now all using Starlink internet, faster internet, better internet. We're going to charge you more money for the internet. You guys know how it goes. They made it better, so now it is worth more money, well, at least in their eyes. So if you have an upcoming Carnival cruise and you want to get the current internet prices, make sure you get your internet, purchase your internet packages prior to December the 8th. Now, the change in price is going to depend on the package you get. If you get Carnival's smallest or slowest package called the Social Package, that one is currently $12.75 if you pre-purchase it, or $15 per day if you purchase it on board the ship. Now, that's going to go up to $15.30 per day pre-purchased, or $18 per day if you buy it on the ship. So that is a 20% increase for the social plan. And with the social plan, you can access email, but you're not going to be streaming any videos. You're not going to be doing any type of video chatting. And a lot of websites just are not going to work for you. You're not going to be able to access them. Now, the value plan, their middle tier internet plan, that one's going to go up about 15%. Currently, it is $17 per day if you pre-purchase, or $20 per day if you purchase on board the ship. And that's going to be going up to $19.55 if you pre-purchase, or $23 to purchase on the ship. And finally, you have the premium Wi-Fi package, the best that you can get. Allows you to video stream, websites, video chat, does all of the bells and whistles. Well, that one is currently $18.70 to pre-purchase, $22 to purchase on board. And then after December the 8th, it will be $21.25 per day to pre-purchase and $25 per day to purchase on board the ship, for an increase of 13.6%. So all of it going up, at minimum, it's going up 13%, all the way up to 20%, depending on which internet package you purchase. Now, I have used the new Starlink internet that they have at sea on different cruise lines. Yeah, for the most part, it works really well. I've had a lot of success with it. It is definitely faster than what we had, before Starlink. But what do you guys think? Is this new internet really justifying a price increase? And are these new prices for the internet, are they worth it to you? All right, and that is our quick cruise news video for today. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you have, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.